Hey, beautiful babes. It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome back to Beauty by Sweet Angel. If this is your first time hanging out with me, go ahead and drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the post notification bell, and that way you'll be in the know each and every time I am here. Today we're talking about 10 ways to use turmeric oil for your skin and your hair. Sit tight and let's discuss. This is my turmeric oil here. I picked this one up, wouldn't you guess, at Amazon. The seller is SVA Organics. I love their oils. They are a trustworthy company, and I have so many of their wonderful oils. So let's dive right into it. 10 ways. I probably have more than 10 ways to use turmeric oil for your skin and hair. Let's start off by this. Turmeric oil mixed with a carrier oil can be used on acne. Yes, because it's antifungal and antiseptic. It will dry out the pimples and also prevent further breakouts. And here's a good one. Turmeric is often used in anti-marks and anti-spot creams. When used persistently, turmeric oil can fade away marks, giving you blemish-free skin. Turmeric also helps even out skin tone and help reduce the appearance of acne scars. When you use turmeric oil, it can help to reduce dark spots on the skin, also known, of course, as hyperpigmentation. It helps combat dark spots and rejuvenate skin by unclogging skin pores and nourishing deep within without making your skin feel oily. Turmeric oil is a strong antibacterial and antiseptic agent that can be applied to areas of minor cuts, burns, bites, and bruises. It will cleanse, clarify, smooth, calm, invigorate, and brighten the skin. The active ingredients in turmeric or curcumin may have anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric can reduce hair loss, adding it to your shampoo specifically for thinning hair, as well as in thickening conditioner that will improve your hair's health and reduce loss through breakage. As turmeric revitalizes the scalp, it makes way for a healthy, growing hair. It will do wonders when applied topically on head and scalp to reduce dryness, dandruff, itchiness, and head lice. It nourishes hairs to make them smooth and shiny, as well as even your nails. Turmeric oil contains various antibacterial traits, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory that help to clean out the scalp and then reduce the accumulation of buildup flake. Turmeric oil in a lotion formulation can brighten skin within 3 weeks. These glowing benefits are likely the result of powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds working together to heal and bring out the natural health of your skin. Curcumin, found in turmeric, is a natural anti-inflammatory compound, and so turmeric oil can give you immediate relief from inflammation. Create an anti-inflammatory concoction by adding 4 to 5 drops of turmeric oil to a carrier oil like coconut, jojoba, or olive oil. Apply on the area of concern. Turmeric can help restore your natural glow and treat uneven skin tone. In order to improve uneven skin tone and make your skin look bright, mix 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of milk, and a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric to make a quick face pack. Leave it on for 25 minutes and then wash off. Do this at least 3 to 4 times a week to get the desired results. Combine it with a carrier oil, which works as a base for this essential oil. Then apply the recipe on your body and face for excellent results to avoid signs of aging, reduce wrinkles, and fine lines. Turmeric oil also helps in skin elasticity. Steamed distilled turmeric oil is popular as an Ayurvedic oil, having great benefits due to its soothing aroma that makes you feel calm, comfortable during your toughest moments of life. It helps you keep your mind relaxed and promotes restful sleep. And then, finally, turmeric is a healing secret for cracked heels. And beautiful babes, there you go with 10 or more ways to use turmeric oil for your skin and hair. Check this product out on Amazon. It's Amazon Prime. You can easily pick it up there. And of course, you know the link below is my affiliate link. And if you make a purchase using that link, I will be paid a small commission. This oil is amazing. We'll be using it in some upcoming ingredients. I've already shared with you about 3 or 4, so get started using your turmeric oil today. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. So glad you did. If you enjoyed today's video or if you got something out of today's video, please drop a like on it. Please make sure you have subscribed to the channel, hit the post notification bell, and make sure you click all. And that way you'll be notified each and every time I upload. And listen, in order to keep up with this chick, make sure you subscribe, definitely. Listen, beautiful babes, I enjoy hanging out with y'all each and every time, and I hope you do the same. So make sure you don't keep this girl a secret. You know what to do. Make sure you share me with your world, and I will see you on the next upcoming video. Have a great one.